For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not harm you, plans to give you hope in the future. Jeremiah 29, verse 11. Hey, it's your girl Kay, the Beauty and Purpose. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you guys have not subscribed, please do so. Put on your notification button. Please like this video and put a comment underneath, okay? Cool. So, I'm not quite sure what I want to do today. The look that I want to do, I think perhaps gold. As you can see, my face is already done. My canvas is on. Eyebrows done. If you guys are interested in this look, you will not be disappointed. Stay tuned. So today I'm using this beautiful Juvia's Place palette. This is my first time ever using it. And I'm also going to be using another favorite palette of mine, which is the Perception palette from ColourPop with Makeup Shayla. And look at all these beautiful colors. Yes, I love this palette. It was a gift to me and I still enjoy it. I'm going to start off with this transitional color called Culture. And I'm going to put that, you'll see in a few on my lids. And that's what we're going to start with. So right now I'm going to use the color Revenge, this dark rust color, to add on to the eyelids to create some type of dimension and make it darker. There's going to be some fallout, so what I'm doing is actually taking a translucent powder, and the one I'm using is with Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, Cashew, and I'm just putting it under so it can catch all the fallout. Darken my lids, I'm using this brown called Played Out, and I'm using the same brush that I used for the other two colors. Listen, there are no rules. You can use the same brush, all right? It's that time to cut that crease. I'm not quite sure what it is that I am trying to create. However, I'm just gonna cut this crease and hope for the best that I have a look. I'm spraying my brush with my Smashbox primer water. I'm about to go into this Saharan Juvia's Place palette with all these vibrant colors. Ooh, yes, I already see what color I want. Oh my gosh, I dropped it. Yeah, I'm so clumsy. But anyways, I am gonna pick this color called Wasabi and use that to actually put it where the outline of my cut crease. And this is gonna be one of the two colors that I'm gonna be using. Y'all, look how vibrant this color looks. This is gorgeous. Perception palette, I'm using this color called Diva, and it's the secondary color that I am going to use on 3/4 of my lid. Y'all, I was not expecting this look. I had no idea what I was coming in with. And this is what I created. Okay, this is what I created. Now, this, I'm just having this vibe. Like, I'm feeling like, you know, queen. I am a queen. You're a queen. And kings out there. But I feel like a queen. I like this look because it's like, you know, you got the gold undertones. I love it. And gold goes with so many people, no matter what skin tones you are. But like your darks, mainly your olives. Oh my gosh. I was not expecting this look. Y'all, look at this. I was not. I came with an idea like, okay, I'm just gonna do gold makeup, but I didn't know I was gonna go in depth like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. So yeah, you know, again, I'm feeling me a little queen-like, Nubian-like, black-like. Yeah.